What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys my wife's 2013 Ford Escape. As you can see, if you watch any other videos, we put new rims on. We ordered these probably like 6 months ago or so, and we put them on this springtime, and we kept our old rims as kind of like the winter rims with the snow tires on it. So these are actually Ford Focus ST wheels. I ordered them from, I'll put the link in the description, from Ford Racing Parts by Donwood.com. The kind of their title or the name of the wheels are 2012 to 2017 Ford Focus ST 18x8 wheel set. And this set included TPMS sensors, which was really nice. They are gloss black, and the part number was M-1007K-M188GB. We got all four for right around 800 bucks. I think they look pretty good. The fitment was slightly different than stock. These wheels are ½ inch wider, so stock wheels were 18 by 7.5. These are 18 by 8. Obviously the bolt pattern is the same. Just for you guys that are curious, on the 2013, the bolt pattern is 5 by 108. And then the offset for these wheels is 55 millimeters. I believe the stock wheels are 40 millimeters. That's what I was seeing online. So obviously with a different width wheel, the offset's going to change a little bit. I don't think it changes the stance too bad. So like I was saying, I don't think it changes the stance of the vehicle too much. As you can see, the wheels are still tucked in there pretty well. So when we got new wheels, we also got new tires. These are my wife's, what we're going to call our summer tires. They are all seasons though. We went with all seasons just because you get a little bit better tread wear, and they're a lot cheaper than dedicated summer tires. We got BF Goodrich's G-Force Comp 2s. And the size of these tires are 245s, 45s, R18s. These are a bit wider than the stock tires, but our rim is also ½ inch wider. So by going 245 45s, we get a slightly wider width and a narrower aspect ratio, but it'll give us the same overall diameter of the tire, more or less, so that way we don't really have to change anything with the speedometer. Lastly, we got lug nuts off Amazon for this. The lug nuts we got are McGard 84538 chrome black, M12 by 1.5 Bulge style cone seat lug nuts. These came with wheel locks, as you can see, and they fit pretty well, and I think they match the wheels pretty well. They blend in, which is kind of what we're going for. So overall, I think these Ford Focus ST wheels give the Escape a lot meaner look. Installation was pretty easy. There's no rubbing, no modifications were needed. All we needed to get was some a little bit wider tires, and we need new tires anyway. So let me know. I'll put some links in the description below, and hit me up with any questions. Thanks.